I have come on a live suddenly. That is why I have always told you to please keep your bell notifications on so you can join on English. As soon and I want to, if I hear something important to discuss, I come and do live. And this is the way you can subscribe to it. So, firstly, 7 p.m. Delhi High Court hearing, which created a lot of, let's say, chatter in the social media on a few aspects. One, would an ordinary litigant, would a normal man get a 7 p.m. hearing? That is one part of it. Second, would that hearing go on till 3 4 hours, 2 3 hours? That's second part of it. And then what would be the result of such a hearing? So these were the things which have brought this case new conversation, because initially the conversation was also there. What was the conversation about? About a businessman, Khan Chacha, Town Hall, one of the Dial Opticals, one of the most well-connected and prominent businessmen of Delhi, having oxygen concentrators found in his home, in his restaurant, and selling it. That was it. There are two views to it in any case, because I have to tell you what both sides of the views are. One side is it is oxygen hoarding. People are struggling, gasping for breath, and you are doing this with the oxygen hoarding. One is that. The other, it's a serious topic and everybody is wishing me happy birthday. Thank you. I'll come to that later. Thank you, and I'll come to that later. So, hoarding, which is a criminal offense as per the police, and they have said 7,000 imported, a few hundred found in his properties, and it's an ongoing investigation. That's one aspect. The other aspect is what the defense is arguing is that the government had not fixed MRP, that's the maximum retail price, that the government had not put it under essential commodities and said you cannot sell it above this price or you can't hoard it. And you can't ask me to do what the government hasn't already done. So these are the two separate views in the court. But the second conversation which happened was on this aspect, that 7 p.m. hearing, right? And how many people get it, right? Let me answer it fairly and squarely. It is unusual, very unusual. A normal litigant will, we all know the reality. All of you who have court cases know the reality. Would be very difficult ordinarily to get such a hearing. You can't run away from that fact. That's a fact. But what happened after the hearing? Nothing. So that is what I say. The courts, I believe, always go by the law and what they think is correct. And today, in that hearing, yesterday hearing happened at 7, today again the hearing happened. And this point was raised by the government counsel, the additional solicitor general also. In the hearing, he said, why is this person being given preference? Matter was heard yesterday at 7 p.m. beyond court hours. Today is Eid holiday. What is so special in the anticipatory bail of this person? The government it's not a counsel, it's an additional solicitor general, raised this plea. And you can see it. He raised it, and to this the defense counsel said we should appreciate that the court is sitting beyond the hours. Okay. Now that is a very good conversation. We need to have it. Speedy justice. Ideally, everybody should get it. In an anticipatory bail case, I would say the other way. You are saying why is he getting it? I should say everybody in anticipatory bail should get a very fast hearing. Police should not arrest anybody unless it's an offense where it is. And these guidelines are there by the court. But police very often arrests without even giving you any chance to approach the court. So ordinarily it should happen to everybody, that they should get the maximum hearing in life and liberty cases and the earliest hearings. But the problem comes, it doesn't happen. But then what happens here? I believe sometimes when these super councils, I would put it, there is a super council from Supreme Court, very, very well established councils come, It becomes worse for the case, I believe. What happened? Nothing happened. The additional Solicitor General sought time to file a reply. The court gave it, and the fight was interim protection. I have explained to you in a previous video. Interim protection means till the court is deciding to give you anticipatory bail or not, you will not be arrested. So it is interim, as the word suggests. So three options in anticipatory bail: giving it, denying it, interim protection. Denying means what the Sessions Court has done, denied interim, denied anticipatory bail. That's why they're in High Court. Second aspect to it is giving it. Then you don't need to come to High Court. Third is interim protection. The Honorable High Court held that they are persuaded by the reasoning of the Sessions Court and no interim protection can be given in this case. So now it is to be heard on Tuesday. The defense counsel is already saying police has issued a lookout notice and is doing raids to arrest. And if it is arrested, then as per law, anticipatory bail doesn't lie, it is infructuous, then it is a regular bail. So that is the situation right now. Have faith in judiciary, trust the judiciary. Sometimes you start having conversations, and I don't have an answer to this, and I'll be very frank myself. I don't have an answer to why this case should be given a 7 p.m. hearing and why so many other cases are not. I don't have an answer to it. I don't. Or if I have an answer, that would be very speculative of me to answer. But nothing happened. He got nothing out of it. In fact, I think his case may have been damaged by pushing it so, or requesting it, or all the things which have happened might have damaged it. So have faith. In this country, everything happens as per law and will happen as per law. Don't go by one odd aberration of you will quote some random case from some place. Substantially, justice is done in this country. Now, on to the birthday aspect. Thank you so much for your birthday wishes. Truly overwhelmed. I saw videos also. I saw clippings also. Truly overwhelmed. And I have tried to retweet as many as I could. But as I said, your affection is overwhelming. And if I can't, because it's completely my Twitter notifications are gone, I can't retweet everybody. I have tried to post it on Facebook also, but Facebook, there is no way of retweeting or something. So thank you. Really, really happy and really, really grateful for all your wishes, all your affections, all your blessings, all your good wishes. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a safe day.